Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the echo issue when you're using your TV and your soundbar at the same time. In such case, simply switch to only one of the output sources. To do so, go to Settings, open all settings, and enter the Sound menu. In Sound menu, change the sound output to the external speaker so that you cannot hear your TV. Just select it from the list and connect to it without setting up the Symphony feature. Also, go to General and Privacy, Accessibility, and disable multi-output audio by switching this toggle to the left. And then your issue should be fixed, but you can also manually mute the sound on your TV, either pressing the mute button, which is I'm not sure if you can see it. No, you cannot. So I'm gonna turn on the light, which is located right here. Just press right here, and this will mute the sound on your TV. However, I don't like this option because it will notify you that the sound is muted on your TV. Therefore, I would prefer to manually decrease the sound level to 0. And so that's basically how you fix this issue. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.